Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I am back with another review of the American Cars collection by DeAgostini Collectibles. I received 4 more cars in pack 17. Let's get started. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. I'm back with another installment of the American Cars collection by DeAgostini Collectibles. This happens to be pack number 17 or mailing number 17. This is what you'll receive with number 17. 4 more cars. So we have cars number 63 through 66. Fantastic. Here we have the Dodge Charger from 2020, the Ford GT from 2005, the Firebird Gold Edition from 1978. I remember those cars very well. And lastly, the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt. So let's look at one of the magazines here, and I'll grab the Thunderbolt one. This is car 66, and they give us wonderful articles here, and they actually explain this Thunderbolt Ford Fairlane, which we have in our collection. Now remember, all these cars are licensed by the manufacturers, whether it be Dodge, Ford, or Chevrolet. And wonderful articles here, great photographs. And you know, this car delivered 430 horsepower back in the time, and that was a lot of horsepower for 1964. Fantastic there. I love the center fold out there. Sports Fairlane. And then an article here about Cannonball Run, one of the icon movies of its time. So a wonderful article there. So if you don't have that in your collection, I suggest you pick one up. And lastly, the very monstrous families. Right, it's fitting. We just had Halloween a few days back, and now we have an article here about the monsters. Let's go ahead and get started looking at all these cars. Look at the first card, which is the Dodge Charger. And here's the Dodge Charger SRT all-wheel drive from 2020. And it looks like our background, very snowy background. Grand Central Station, could be the Midwest somewhere, maybe Illinois. But here we go. Here's a close-up of the car. It is a metallic blue. You can probably see the metallic within the color there. Wonderful factory wheels on this, painted black. And of course, the grille work looks fantastic there. Virginia plates on this. Very popular body style that Dodge came out with in the time. Dual exhaust. And you can see the top of the car there. Black interior. Really nice. Let's look at the next car. And here's the next car. This is the Ford Mustang GT from 2005, and this is a deep dark red, and the background looks like to be Southern California with all the palm trees. Actually, San Francisco. There we go. And factory wheels. Very popular Mustang. The GT version of this Mustang. A lot of these were sold, and I love the body style with this Mustang. Very retro. It looks like it has Ohio plates on it. Black interior. Very nice there. It is a deeper red than what you actually see on the video. But like I said, these cars are all licensed. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the next car. Car number 65, which is the Pontiac Firebird Gold Edition from 1978. Very popular Trans Am Firebird. And looks like we have New York City in the background. Get a closer view of the Pontiac. Gold metallic. The graphics are wonderful. Of course, we have the Pontiac wheels painted gold also. Grille work. Very nice there. We have the tan interior. T-tops. And of course the back end of the car there, dual exhaust. Like I said, the tan interior. And licensed by General Motors. Very nice. And let's look at the final car, car number 66. And here's car 66, the Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt from 1964. Wonderful Tampo graphics on this, just like what we saw in the magazine previously. And it looks like the background looks like to be a small town in Texas, what I could tell there. And close-up view there, all painted white, the factory white wheels on this. Very rare car, like I was saying. 430 horsepower from back in 1964 was a lot of horsepower. Right. A couple of the blacked out headlights on the grille there. Very nice. I mean, this is sheer raw power. Wow. The Hemi Hunter. I love that. 427. And of course the Fairlane taillights. Single exhaust in the back, handling all that horsepower. Unbelievable. Very nice. Very unique collection here, folks. You can't get these cars anywhere else. Sign up for this collection today. Head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and start your collection today. I am very pleased with these cars. They are fantastic to have, and you can't go wrong with these. Definitely. I'll be right back. And there you have it. That was pack 17 of the American Cars collection from DeAgostini Collectibles. Head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and check out this collection for yourself. Like I was saying earlier, this collection is very unique and you will not find a lot of these cars anywhere else. Remember, these are all die-cast metal cars in 1/43 scale. So they make for a wonderful collection. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and we will see you next month with Pack 18.